Here it is Tuesday morning. We got another good rain last night. Didn't realize we got this much here. Yeah, look at the mud hole standing full. Well, gonna be fun going down in them hollers this morning. Changing oil in this skidder here. Took the plug out, let it drain all night. So, and make sure all the old oil is out. Yep. Okay, stop draining. So I caught it in a can there. Cans. I didn't let it hit the ground or anything. So. Yes, sir. It's gonna be real fun down there. It's just getting good yesterday, which I'm not going to say if it's good, but it was just getting really dry. So, waiting on a truck this morning, and we got one out, and I don't know how many more we'll get this week. Maybe a lot, I don't know. Pretty logs. We used that all day yesterday there. It done real well. I was going to take the truck, or I told the truck driver yesterday we'd go in, turn around when we cleaned out Friday. Today, try it out, but it's too wet. We just have to back him in here again off the road. Dries up, then we can do all this stuff. So, anyway, I know a short video, but that's all I got.